In this video, you will learn 5 ways to earn money through LinkedIn. But wait, why should you listen to me? So it's time for me to flaunt my credentials. I have currently more than 34,000 followers on LinkedIn, and more than 90% of my revenue comes from this social media platform. Well, I know, it is a far-fetched conclusion how follower is a marker of anything monetary, but you have to got me trust. You have to trust me over here. And by the time you reach the end, you will see it for it yourself. Yeah, I guess this is doable. Also, please don't skip any step because this is a funnel based strategy, and if you skipped any step, then you won't be able to follow through. Basically, each step would be a gateway to the next step, so don't skip it at any cost. So without any further ado, let's get started with the first step or the method, which is digital product. Well, you can design a lot of digital products in the form of ebooks, mini courses, paid newsletter, paid communities, and a lot more. You can use InstaMojo and Patreon to host ebooks or PDFs. Similarly, mini courses can be hosted on Teachable, Kajabi, or your own website, or even better, a YouTube channel. And finally, you can also use Discord, Telegram, and Circle to create paid communities. And this is what I did. I made a product which was how to grow your YouTube using Google Ads, which was free, but it was my choice to do so. And also my YouTube channel was also monetized, so I earned money from there. And if you are interested in growing your YouTube channel, then you can find that course by clicking on the I button or here. So that is how I monetized my top of the funnel. Well, with that, it's time for our second strategy, which is coaching. Now that you may have built a digital product, you can go one step ahead and ask people to go for a one-on-one coaching with you, because they would have a lot of doubts and there are only a few things a digital product can cover. And one of them definitely is not handling the doubts. Also, this will be a product which will be costlier than your last product. So if you directly sold them this particular product, they wouldn't have bought it from you because of the lack of trust, authority. But now that you are upselling, this becomes easier. It is easier to upsell instead of selling a high ticket product to one client. And this is how you create a funnel, my friends. And this is what happened with me as well. Because of the product that I just mentioned, YouTube ads, people started contacting me for one-on-one coaching on the same, even when I didn't have any CTA at the end of that course. But that wasn't a wise decision. I would request you to learn from my mistake and have a CTA at the end of the course or the product, to inform them that you have a coaching program. With that, it's time for our third strategy, which is consultation. Most of the people who purchase your digital product will get overwhelmed, but also won't have time for one-on-one coaching. So they would be directly subscribing to the consultation and ask their doubts from you straight away. Also, when you have an influence on LinkedIn, people anyway want to talk to you, but your time is valuable. So in order to shoo away unwanted entities who come unorganized and waste your time, it is very essential to charge for your time. Also, charging people for your time also makes you feel responsible and you come prepared. Therefore, this improves the overall quality of the whole discussion. Both the sides ask relevant questions and provide valuable inputs because the money is at stake. Remember the digital product that I had? People still watch that course and then book a consultation with me and will keep on doing so till the time that particular course is relevant. And now it's time for our fourth tip, which is clients. When people see that you are an authority in a field, they automatically trust you. Because they trust you, they would want to work with you, or they want you to work for them if they have money but no time to execute it. This is how you convert followers into clients. Your digital product would have already made them realize by now that you are awesome. And since you are awesome and they know that you are awesome, so they would hire you to do that awesome work for them. Same happened with me. A lot of people post that asked me to grow their YouTube channel because they saw the growth of my channel and weren't in a position to execute the same for themselves. Not bad for a marketing tactic after all. So this is how you create a funnel, my dear friends. And with that, it's time for our last strategy, which is affiliate marketing. Currently, there is an affiliate program for every digital or physical product you can see or you use. For example, you must have a website like on Bluehost or Hostinger. Just make a post around it and ask people to go through your link and purchase it. Or you must have purchased a course recently from Udemy, and you can do the affiliate marketing of the same. So if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, then you can go through this course, which is for free, and get an in-depth knowledge on the same. And now you must be thinking, but Sanidhya, how can I get people to check out my profile? Then you just need to check out this particular playlist where I have explained how you can optimize your profile and what should you post in order for people to check out your profile or follow you. Well, if you are still here, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel because it tells YouTube that this particular video is good, and also comment below if you like this particular video. Until next time, bye bye.